Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can hack TEMU and get free money using your own device. So whether you have iPhone, an iOS device, or Android, I'm going to be showing you guys how it works and also how you can download and install it for yourself. So I'm actually going to be flipping my screen over and showing you guys step by step just how you can download and install this cool app that allows you to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright everyone, so I just want to show you the app and how easy it is to use before we continue with downloading and installing it. So it's this app right here, it's the TEMU Mod app. So basically once I click on it, you get this pop-up here and it says TEMU Mod activated, add free money, unlimited spins, and more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click OK. So as you can see, this is my current credit balance, and right here we have the add free money option, and it's as simple as clicking that option. And there you go. As you can see, now I have $100 more that I can use. So yeah, guys, that's basically how it works. Pretty simple and pretty legit. So if you also want to have that for yourself, let's go ahead and continue. Now, keep in mind that if you are using an iOS device like I am myself, we do need to make some adjustments to our settings. However, if you are an Android user, you don't need to worry about these steps. So iOS users, we're going to go ahead and click our settings app first. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to head down to battery. And in battery, we just want to make sure that we have low power mode turned off. So make sure it looks like this. And also that we have at least 10% battery in our device so that we don't run into any issues once we are downloading and installing our app. Okay, so yeah, make sure you have those settings adjusted that way. And now we can head back to our settings and let's go ahead and click General and Background App Refresh. And click there once again, and here we just want to make sure that we select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. So whichever works best for you, either or is totally fine as long as it's not in off, just either one of these and you'll be good to go. Okay, so now heading back to general, we're going to click about now, and here we just want to confirm that our iOS version is at least iOS 11 or above. So if you don't have at least iOS 11, make sure that you upgrade your iOS version before you try to download and install the app, since it will most likely not be compatible for you. Okay, so just keep that in mind, and of course anything above iOS 11 is good to go. Okay, so now we are going to head back to our settings menu, and we are going to go down to Safari. So click Safari, and here we just want to head all the way down to advanced. And in advanced, super important step, make sure that you enable JavaScript. So make sure the little slider is green, just like that. And so JavaScript allows the web page to load properly, meaning that we can also download and install our app properly. So this is a very important step to keep in mind. And yeah, once you have done all of those steps, we can exit out of there. And now for everyone, both Android and iOS, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and click our web browser. And whichever web browser you use is totally fine. And we're just going to type in the name of the web page where we can find our app, which is this one right here. It's called vivahelper.com. So go ahead and type that up and click go, and then the web page is going to load just like so. So up here you have a search bar, as you can see, and you can click there and type the name of the app, or you can just select it from the home screen if you do find it in the home screen. So in this case, it is right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it, and you're going to get this pop up, and it's going to say download now. So we're going to go ahead and click there. And now we're going to give it a couple of seconds for it to finish downloading. And as you can see, it's pretty quick. Almost there. Okay, so once that downloads there, you're gonna get this pop-up here. Just go ahead and click allow, and then it's gonna say profile downloaded. Keep that in mind and click close, and we can exit out of our web browser. And now what we're gonna do is we are going to head to settings, and we are gonna look for that profile downloaded notification wherever it may be in your device. So in my case, I'm using iPhone. It's usually up here, as you can see. And just once you find it, just go ahead and click on it. And we're just gonna finish installing it so that it's up and running along with the rest of our apps in our home screen. So go ahead and click install. And then if you have a passcode, just enter your own passcode from your device. And we're gonna click next and install, and once again install down here. And finally click done. And yeah, that's basically it, everyone. Once we exit out of our settings, as you can see, the app is now installed in our home screen along with the rest of our apps up and running and ready to be used. So yeah, everyone, that is how you can hack TEMU and get free money. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.